In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your money or funds from SafePal to Cash App. First, open the SafePal mobile wallet on your phone. Once the app launches, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your tokens and assets are displayed. Take a moment to look through the list. And from the available coins, tap on Bitcoin, since that's what Cash App supports for deposits. After opening Bitcoin inside SafePal, you'll see several options like Swap, Receive, and Send. To move your funds to Cash App, tap on the option labeled Send. This will take you to the page where you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Go ahead and type in the exact amount you want to send, making sure you double-check it so you don't send too much or too little. The next step is crucial. You need to paste the correct Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. To get that address, open the Cash App on your phone. When the app opens, you'll be on the home page. From there, tap on the bank icon, which gives you access to your financial tools inside Cash App. Among the options, you'll see things like Invest and Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. This will bring you to another page with more options and information. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen until you reach the section labeled More Ways to Get Bitcoin. Here, look for the option called Deposit Bitcoin and tap on it. This will show you your unique Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully because this is where your SafePal funds will be sent. Now go back to the SafePal app. In the address field, paste the Bitcoin wallet address you just copied from Cash App. Make sure the address matches exactly, because if even a single character is wrong, the transaction could fail or your funds could be lost. After confirming everything, tap the Send button. SafePal will now process the transaction and transfer your Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet. Depending on network congestion, this may take a few minutes, so give it some time to confirm. Once the Bitcoin arrives in Cash App, you can convert it into cash inside the app, add it to your balance, and then use it for payments, transfers, or withdrawals.